Dear colleagues, good morning. Welcome to my online training session. We are here to learn hotel management software IDS. IDS is a very powerful tool which is integrated all the modules that need to run any hotel. So let's go. Today we will learn how to amend any reservation, as we already learned how to create a reservation through IDS. Today we will learn how to amend any reservation. Let's go. So we can amend any reservation. Before that, we need to find which reservation we are going to amend. So we can find several ways, like by guest name, company name, arrival date, departure date, or reservation number. So any of those options here. So we are going by arrival date. All the reservations for those dates are loading onto the system. Okay. Uh, Check those reservations. So suppose Mr. Niaz changes his mind and he wants to upgrade his room type or date. So let's go. Double click on the Niaz Ali Sisti. So if he wants to change his date, then we can amend his date, like 28 is there. So if we need, we can amend one day additional. We can change his room type if he wants. So instead of Studio King, we are going to give him Royal Paradise Suite. If you change anything, like he needs double 20 rooms, so I am changing it needs 1 rooms. So for amendment, you need to give the things to change the rate also. So rate ID also we can check different rate is there. So 130,000 taka per night. So if you allow 2 packs, then just need to go and confirm. So what is the region of the change? You can change guest name or something. You can write as your own. Then go. You can modify tariff amount inclusive all or plan amount inclusive or exclusive by ticking out or ticking in. So there's the modification already done. So go back. If any guest information or anything you want to change, you can change from here. Transport, pickup drop, passport or visa, likes or dislikes. Okay, so I think everything is there. So you can also add a special instruction that this is test. So after all the information providing correctly, then you need to save it. Okay. So those reservations already assigned. This is why it is showing one information that total rooms denied, not defied. So we can make this reservation or any other reservation what can already there. So go back. Single reservation we can check. We can deassign the rooms and reassign again those rooms so that change happened. So going back. can go by reservation number these times. No reservation number for those. Earlier we saw that for a group reservation we wanted to change, but those reservations already assigned room. This is why we face challenge. This is positive because don't afraid. We learned that once the reservation room assigned done, we cannot modify. Before reassign the room number as we change the room type or arrival date. So we are going to change the date. We are going to change the room number or room type. So one is there. We are going to change the room rate also. 50,000 I am putting here. Then confirm. Region is there. So we can go back and we can change anything what I showed you earlier. Save. This is mobile number is mandatory. So you can put there. Also the regular is mandatory. Classification and the status need to be put there, otherwise it will not save. The update has been done. We can put the guest confirmation voucher. We can print it or we can deposit here also. So 113926 reservation already says. If we see 1196 that reservation, it was 2 days 50,000 taka and the reservation number is 113926. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll learn how to cancel any reservation.